माननीय सभासदों, माननीय उपसभापति जी,
as per the business that was circulated, the appropriation bill was to be taken up. But now the supplementary list of business lists the Mines and Minerals Amendment Bill and the Constitutional Scheduled Caste Order Amendment Bill. We would like to propose that the Mines and Minerals Amendment Bill may be taken up first. And following that, the Scheduled Caste Order Amendment Bill. This has been, there is a broad consensus also on that issue. And we would also propose that there has been a request that instead of the 3 hours that has been allocated by the BSE, it may be extended to 3.5 hours. So if the House generally agrees to that, we have no objection.
That Mines and Minerals is a very important bill. It requires not less than 4 to 5 hours, whatever it is. The decision was taken, then we thought we did not discuss it at all. What we said is, we will send it to Select Committee, and our request to the government was, at least agree to this for Select Committee so that ours need not be discussed. So to conclude that it is 3 hours has become 3.5 hours as a mercy has been given is bad in expression. But nonetheless, very change of subject from appropriation to Mines and Minerals, which is a very important thing, which you are taking away their entire powers. A bill should come where all the powers of the state should go to center. Then we would agree to such a bill, at least discuss the bill like that.
Thank you.
This is an important bill, sir.
Thank you.
Party, the TRS, the TDP, the RJD, the Shiv Sena, the CPI, the CPM, and many other parties are opposed to this bill. We are not against a discussion on the bill. We are opposed to this bill. We are opposed to the provisions on this bill which are going to snatch away the powers of states. This is a council of states. That is why our request is that this should go to a select committee. This is our request that we are making.
sir.
Principal observation on this is that when we decide something in the BSE, there is no point going against it. I was there on that day. Time was not set. Many people believed, many parties believed they should go to select committee. Having said that, if it at all opens for discussion, I think, because if you read the bill, it cannot be hushed up in 3.5 hours. Sir. Thank you, sir.
Please.
As per the time,
We are open to as a longer discussion,
हाँ, तो आपके मैडम
as it's suggested by Manoj ji.
सब विषय पर हमें कम से कम चर्चा करने का अवसर मिलना चाहिए, स्टेक होल्डर्स के साथ चर्चा करने का अवसर होना चाहिए। लाखों परिवार, करोड़ों परिवार इस खनिज के व्यवसाय से जुड़े हुए हैं और हर बार 2015 में, 2016 में और 2021 में आप इसमें स्टेक होल्डर से चर्चा कराने का अवसर हम लोगों को नहीं दे रहे हैं। इसलिए सेलेक्ट कमेटी में उसको सौंपने की पूरी आवश्यकता है ताकि हम सारे स्टेक होल्डर्स के साथ चर्चा कर सके और जो मसले अदालत में चले जाएंगे और अदालत में जाकर
माननीय भूपेन जी, थैंक यू। माननीय भूपेन जी।
सर, मैं आपके माध्यम से एक चीज कहना चाहता हूं कि सदन के नियमों की एक प्रक्रिया है। प्रक्रिया के अंतर्गत बिल को प्रस्तुत करके कंसिडरेशन करके उस पर चर्चा तो प्रारंभ हो। चर्चा प्रारंभ करना ये एक आवश्यक विषय है। दूसरा सर, वर्तमान सरकार के द्वारा अधिकतम बिलों को सेलेक्ट कमेटी में भेजा गया। ये भी एक ऐसा बिल है, ये पूरा सुन लीजिए ना, ये भी एक ऐसा बिल है जिसको पिछली बार अमेंडमेंट करते समय इसी सदन की सेलेक्ट कमेटी को भेजा गया था। उन्होंने उस पर पूरा विचार किया था। अभी अगर मंत्री जी कोई बिल लेकर के आए तो उसमें कुछ एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सुधार का विषय है, इसकी चर्चा होनी चाहिए क्योंकि बिल एक बार ऑलरेडी इस सदन की सेलेक्ट कमेटी के द्वारा विचार किया जा चुका है। ये अलग बात है कि नया अमेंडमेंट आया है, पर बिल को सेलेक्ट कमेटी और स्टेक होल्डर ने कभी चर्चा ही नहीं करी है, ऐसा नहीं है।
माननीय मंत्री
बोलो जो मनोज झा जी ने कहा।
no, sir, we are ready for a full discussion on this bill, and the BSE had many suggestions had come up in the BAC, but ultimately the suggestion, the decision of the BAC was that the time allocation is 3 hours. Now that can be increased. Now half an hour increase have been already requested and it has been agreed upon.
Thank you.
If any request and further requirement is there, we will take a decision on the basis of that.
Thank you.